In this video, we are going to learn 15 important idioms or idiomatic expressions, their meanings with examples showing how they can be used in everyday conversation. So let's dive right in. To bite the bullet. To do something no matter how unsatisfying or unpleasant it is. Example. I wasn't happy with the way my career was going, so I decided to bite the bullet and look for another job. Steal someone's thunder. Doing what someone intends to say or do, thereby getting the attention or praise the person would have gotten. Example. Don stole my thunder by creating his own design with my ideas. Stick to one's guns. To stay morally strong or be firm in decisions. Example. He should have stuck to his guns and refused to accept the bribe. Go on a wild goose chase. This means doing something pointless. For example, Dad led us on a wild goose chase looking for his car keys, whereas Mom had them all along. By the skin of your teeth, to just barely get by or make it. Example. I was held up in traffic, but I managed to reach the interview by the skin of my teeth. Cry wolf. To ask or cry for help when you don't need. Example. She has cried wolf several times, so I can't take her seriously now. Cut someone some slack. Not judging someone too harshly. Example. You need to cut him some slack, he's dealing with a lot right now. Sleep on it. To think about something for a while before making a decision. Example. I can't decide which offer is best, I'll sleep on it and let you know by the end of the week. Keep your eyes peeled. To be vigilant or watch carefully for something or someone. Example. Keep your eyes peeled to make sure the pie doesn't burn. Fish out of water. To be out of place. Example. Lizzie said she felt like a fish out of water in her new school. Put your foot in your mouth, saying something you shouldn't have. Example. She really put her foot in her mouth when she asked her why she doesn't have kids. Spill the beans. To leak a secret. Example. Clara accidentally spilled the beans about the surprise birthday party. Feeling under the weather. To feel sick or unwell. Example. He couldn't come to work today because he was feeling a bit under the weather. Go down in flames. To fail spectacularly. Example. The group's presentation went down in flames when the presenter forgot his points. Step up one's game. To start performing better. Example. If Brian wants to win the first prize, he needs to step up his game and study more.